Export Schedules allows you to do quantity takeoffs directly to Excel. To export a schedule, just click on Export Schedule in a drop-down menu of the Export and Import feature and choose which schedule or schedules you want to export. The Re-import format enables export data to Excel, edit data in Excel sheets, and re-import of the data back to Revit's elements. In this example, we edit the comment parameter, save, and re-import back to Revit. To import Excel reports, click the drop-down menu and choose Import Schedules, and pick the file to import. The schedule will now have the updated information.